Understanding skip floors in English. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to delve into an interesting phrase, skip floors. If you're curious about what it means and how to use it in a conversation, you're in the right place. Let's explore this phrase together. The phrase, skip floors, often refers to the act of not stopping on every floor when you're going up or down in a building, particularly when using an elevator. It can be used both literally and metaphorically. In a literal sense, if someone says they skip floors, it means the elevator doesn't stop at every level. For example, in a high-rise building, an elevator might only stop at the lobby, the 10th floor, and the 20th floor. This is done to save time and improve efficiency. Metaphorically, skip floors can describe someone who is advancing quickly in a company or in their learning process without going through all the intermediate stages. It's like leaping ahead to higher levels of achievement without gradual progression. Let's put skip floors into context with some examples. I'm in a hurry. I hope the elevator skips floors. She skipped floors in her career by leveraging her extensive network. And that's a wrap on skip floors. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase confidently in your conversations. Keep practicing, and you'll be skipping floors in your English language journey in no time. See you in the next video.